Welcome to our presentation and demo on Commvault's cloud backup and recovery capabilities for Google Workspace. We'll learn how Commvault helps backup and protect Google Workspace resources such as Google Drive and Gmail. Let's begin. As organizations increasingly rely on SaaS-based applications for their productivity and collaboration needs, safeguarding this data from threats such as deletion, corruption, and malicious attacks is crucial. Commvault Cloud offers proven data protection for your SaaS app data, including Google Workspace. Protecting SaaS app data is your responsibility. Universally, the top cloud service providers, including Google, follow a shared responsibility model where they are responsible for their SaaS services infrastructure, availability, and performance, and the customer is responsible for the data entering, living in, and leaving the SaaS service. Commvault Cloud Backup and Recovery for Google Workspace delivers powerful, enterprise-grade data protection with the simplicity of SaaS, proven to keep businesses of every size safe from deletion, corruption, and malicious attacks. Plus, comprehensive protection across entire data estates to safeguard Google Workspace and on-prem, cloud, and SaaS workloads from a single pane of glass. Now let's dive into how it all works, starting with the Commvault Cloud Service Catalog. To start, access Google Workspace from the Commvault Cloud SaaS Services Catalog, or select Google Workspace from the menu dropdown. This action takes you to the Google Workspace Hub, where you have a complete view of the protected data sources, weekly success rate, plans, and more. For organizations ready to onboard and test this tool, the configuration process is seamless, and you can be up and running in no time. This is achieved by using Google Workspace apps to facilitate a connection between your Google environment and Commvault. To back up Gmail or Google Drive for the first time, you would create a Google Workspace app that links your environment to Commvault. The process is straightforward. Simply name the app and choose to sign in with Google. A major advantage here is that your Google credentials are not stored. Instead, there is a redirect to your Google environment. Only super admin credentials are needed for authorization to allow the Commvault app to access the services and API requests to make that connection and process the backup. Now that our app is configured, we can add content to protect by clicking Add. Here you have the flexibility to choose to add selected users, all the users in your Google tenant, a particular user group, a specific shared drive, or all shared drives in your Google tenant. And now let's navigate to the user section of our application and start doing some restores. This view provides an at-a-glance look at the latest backup date, application size, and environment type. From here, we can also granularly recover data from a specific date, week, or month, and actually see the critical data you want to restore from the recovery point calendar. Let's restore data from the previous week. Choose the date and click Restore. This will show you the state of your Google Drive as of the last backup. We can go into a user's Google Drive folder, select some critical data, and choose Restore. Now we can restore that data in place or to another location by selecting the user or shared drive folder here. If a user requests to see deleted items, you can easily toggle this to show deleted items, which will display all of the data that was deleted at a specific restore point and allow you to restore it for the user. And just like that, hassle-free backup and recovery of your Google Workspace data. To see more, create your free 30-day account today or request a demo from our team. Thank you for your time.